secret behind the world's largest heavy-lift rescue helicopter, CH-53K King Stallion. The CH-53K King Stallion is one of the most powerful heavy-lift helicopters operated by the U.S. Marine Corps. Designed to transport troops, equipment, and heavy cargo, the helicopter can also support challenging recovery and rescue missions in demanding environments. One of its most impressive capabilities is its potential to recover damaged aircraft. The CH-53K has been tested lifting another CH-53K using a specialized external load configuration. This demonstration helped engineers and air crews develop procedures for recovering aircraft that are unable to fly on their own. The secret behind this capability is its enormous lifting power. The King Stallion is designed to carry heavy external loads while maintaining the performance needed for demanding missions. Its powerful lifting system gives crews greater flexibility when moving equipment or recovering aircraft. However, lifting a massive aircraft is not simply a matter of having a powerful engine. Rescue crews must carefully calculate the weight, balance, attachment points, wind conditions, and flight characteristics of the load before takeoff. Every part of the operation must be carefully coordinated. Modern technology also plays a major role in the CH-53K's performance. The helicopter features a digital fly-by-wire flight control system, advanced composite rotor blades, powerful engines, and a modern cockpit. These systems help the crew control the aircraft while carrying extremely heavy loads. The CH-53K also provides significantly more power than its predecessor, the CH-53E Super Stallion. Its three engines were designed to provide substantially greater power, allowing the helicopter to carry heavier loads and operate more effectively in difficult conditions. A rescue mission involving a disabled helicopter is highly complex. Before the King Stallion can lift another aircraft, ground crews must inspect the damaged helicopter and determine the safest way to attach the recovery equipment. Proper weight distribution is essential for keeping the load stable during flight. Testing these recovery procedures provides valuable data for future operations. Engineers and air crews can study how the helicopter responds to different loads and how external cargo affects flight performance. This information can then be used to improve procedures and training. The King Stallion is therefore much more than a troop and cargo transport helicopter. Its capabilities can support aircraft recovery, personnel rescue, heavy equipment transport, casualty evacuation, and other demanding missions where conventional helicopters may not have enough lifting capacity. Ultimately, the secret behind the CH-53K King Stallion lies in the combination of enormous power, advanced flight control technology, strong structural design, and highly trained crews. Together, these capabilities make the King Stallion a remarkable heavy-lift platform for some of the most challenging rescue and recovery missions.